Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And today in this video it's not Toyota, it's a Lexus ES 300. And it's the year 1998 and it has only incredible 90,000 miles on the odometer. And because it's older vehicle, it will obviously need some maintenance. But let me first show you how they were built at that time. How gorgeous this vehicle is. Look at these leather seats. They feel like, did a short test drive, they feel like brand new, guys. Absolutely unbelievable. It's a small car, V6 engine, but it's very, very comfortable. Some leather accents. These leather seats are pristine and very good shape. These little cracks might be visible, but there's no cracks in the stitching or anything. The wood is holding up pretty good. Look at that central console. It's fantastic. Sunroof, everything. So what is happening? This vehicle suddenly lost the speedometer. So on the shortest drive I confirmed what is happening. Look how gorgeous it is. But the needle of the speed will not move whatsoever. There is also check engine light related to it. And if you scan this computer, there is only one code, and it's a P0500, and it's related to the vehicle speed sensor. In my case, it's a hard code. That means if I try to erase it and then rescan, the scanner will take its time and it displays the code again. You cannot erase it, you cannot get rid of it. So let's go and pop the hood, and I would like to show you where that speed sensor is located. Some of you might own the same Lexus, or you might have a Toyota product which will have the same V6 engine and same transmission, and one day you might end up with the same problem. So I would like to explain you where's the location and what sensor it's responsible for this. And the reason I'm making this video is because it might be confusing many of you. There are different vehicle speed sensors around the car, but the other ones are not included in this situation. And which ones are those? These are the ABS speed sensors, and they're at each wheel. If you will lift the vehicle and go from inside, every single wheel has a speed sensor. However, these are for the ABS system. They are not related to the malfunctioning speedometer inside of the vehicle. It will be completely different codes, and it will be for ABS. So, looking on our engine bay, we know our main chunk engine is on the left side, which is passenger, and we know the transmission is buried right down there on the driver's side. I will set up the lights and maybe remove part of the intake so I can clearly show you where that sensor is located. But it's basically down here in this area. I could remove it without touching anything. However, I want to show you. So after removing that intake pipe, I set up the lights. I'm trying to do my best to show you. I put this snap-on screwdriver pointing at it. It's not easy, but I will try to zoom on it. So follow the screwdriver, and down there you will see a sensor which is held by one bolt. The sensor itself has 3 Phillips screws around, and the connector which you see in the middle of the screen, the dark connector, it's a 3-pin. And that's, my friend, automatic transmission speed sensor. In this case, this 98 Lexus. Let's move the light, this one. maybe, just maybe, you will get better result. Do you see it? I'm really trying my best. What's about this way? Sorry for that. See that screwdriver coming down there? So that's where it is. It's basically towards to the cabin, and it's held, I believe it's a 10mm bolt down there. And this sensor, it's sitting on top of the transmission going inside, and it's connected to the plastic gear, I believe, which is rotating it and basically telling to the vehicle, to the ECM, what's the speed of the vehicle. Therefore, it communicates with the transmission. Therefore, you might not only have a problem with your speedometer not reading, you most likely, if you are watching this video and you was chasing P0500, most likely you have problem also with performance of your automatic transmission. And here you can finally see it outside of the vehicle. I will try to turn it around any possible way so you can see every single detail. The sensor, if you look for the parts, is not coming with this plastic gear and this shaft. That's held inside right here with this clip, so it's not falling out. Also, it might be not even coming with this O-ring, so if you are ordering it from Total Lexus, make sure you get the sensor, which is up to here, plus the O-ring. This you better inspect, but it's not slipping or anything. If you look here, it's turning the shaft, I can feel it inside. Here is the area that was basically towards to the cabin, this 10mm bolt, 3-pin connector as we discussed, 3 Phillips screws, and that the transmission rotates this, and that creates signal. It's probably electromagnetic unit right here, and that create the signal to the ECM, and ECM knows after that what is the speed of the vehicle and operates the speedometer. Plus, as we discussed, communicates all the data to the transmission, so transmission knows when to shift and in what gear. I believe the owner of the vehicle who brought it today said he came in 2nd gear or something like that. Yep, here you go. So it was quick tech video for this Toyota Lexus community on this channel. I'm pretty sure many of you will like it or use it, find it helpful in the future when you will be diagnosing, repairing, maintaining your own vehicle. If you like it, if you think it's helpful, please always give a thumb up. Apparently it helps in the Google system. Please subscribe and have a notification button on so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel, and have a great day, my friend.